What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet in 10 minutes or less. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember to use the link in the description to claim the 14-day free trial of Clickfunnels today. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click this button right here. It's going to add new. You can go and follow the cookbook builder process, or you can follow the classic funnel builder process. If you're brand new to everything, marketing, design, and everything like that, I highly recommend that you start with the cookbook. I like to using the classic funnel builder because I've been using this for a long time, but I'm going to show you what the cookbook looks like. So for this particular example, we're creating a lead magnet. So what do we want? What type of funnel are we looking for? Well, we're going to generate leads. What are those leads for? Are for professional services, retail, e-commerce, network marketing. What is it for? So for this particular example, let's say professional services. And then these are your options. This is what Clickfunnels recommends as far as template goes, that it's pre-built for you. So lead magnet funnel. So if you select the funnel, there's going to be a video of Russell that's going to walk you through on how lead magnets work and why you should use them. And then if you come down here, there's templates already pre-made for you. There's paid ones if you want to buy one that's ready to go. And then if you click free, you only get to see the free ones. All right. So for example, let's say you want to use, this one. It will show you what it looked like, right? So if you like what you see, you would just click get funnel and then you're good to go. I'm going to show you guys how to customize this a little bit. So let's go back. Let's go back to our funnels. All right. And then back to add new. And then we're going to create new funnel with the classic builder. So what do we want to do? Do we want to sell a product, host a webinar, collect emails? For this example, we're going to collect emails. So we're going to click choose. All right. We're going to name it agency lead magnet. All right. Just for this example. All right. So I'm not going to put a tag on it. That's if you have tons of funnels so you can find them quickly. So build funnel. Our funnel is going to come up and we still have templates, which, I like this way better for myself because then I get to pick and choose what I want. So as you can see here, there's tons and tons of templates and there's some good looking ones. So let's scroll through here and let's see which one I want to use today. So let's say, what do we got? Oh, we're doing a lead magnet, right? So let's choose something that goes, let's see. You know what? I think I want to use this one. Let's see. Too simple. Because we want to show the offer, okay? So we're going to use something. I want to use a video that I have so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So many choices. I don't know which one to go with. Let's go back up. This one, because I'm going to change it. All right, so let's use this one. All right. So now that's going to create it for you, right? And the first thing you want to do is want to click edit page. And boom, it's ready to go. See how easy that is? How easy is that? So I would just change the name here to whatever your business is. So in this case, I don't know, let's do it's my fault, not Clickfunnels. And then, you can put your number here if you want it. So you can change it to whatever you want. So let's say, so 800-555-8647, I don't know. All right, so you would do that, or you can just do, you can change it to a logo. So let me clone, let's do this. Let's change it to the logo. Actually, no, because the logo, I don't have one with black background. So I will go in here, and if I already have a video, right, which I do, I'm gonna click here, settings, and all I have to do is change this to YouTube because the video that I have is hosted on YouTube. And then I have my link right here, and I will just paste the link right here. And now we have our video there. And then I will change this to, you know, my name. All right. And then you can write whatever you want in here as well. So, you know, Facebook ads or whatever. So you can do that. And then you got to create a cool headline. So you can change it to how to harness the power of booked to grow your business, right? Put an exclamation point. All right. And then book a free call. Book a free consultation today. Boom. That's how you change it. See? And then you already have your full name, phone number, email address, get your quote today. And then you can change this to whatever you want. It's so easy, you know, and then all you have to do is just hook up your email responder to it. So you get the lead. So you will go to settings, you go to integrations, and then you select whatever you're using. In this case, it's ActiveCampaign for myself. And then I will choose add to list and then pick the list. So let's say PixlFeed. Save it, and then, oh, I gotta change my picture. That's not me. So, you know, you gotta change the picture here. So actually, you know what? Image. And then I will find a picture of myself. Let's use that one. Boom, and there's a picture of myself. It's like, hey, there I am, right? How cool is that? And then you can change your links here for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you got. So you do that. And that's how easy ClickFunnels is. And this is what I was talking about. If you have a logo that matches this layout and you can customize it however you want, all you have to do is just like, let's say I just want to clone this. And then I would just go in there, actually not clone it. Let me delete that. I would just add a new element. And then I want an image, right? And then I already have a logo in here somewhere, I'm sure. So, I don't know. I need a logo. Where's my logos? And there you go. There's one. I'll just add the image. And obviously it doesn't look good because it's not made for this specific funnel per se. But you guys get the idea, right? It will make it so it's, you know, the one that goes with it. And then I can change my padding here so it's lined up with the phone number, right? You know, obviously I will make the logo red or white right here so it looks good. Okay. And same here, you can line them up, right? So it looks centered. And you gotta make sure your funnels look good on mobile as well. So make sure you always check mobile first, right? So look, the logo's there, the number, then there's a video, then the description. Give me your information, blah, blah, blah. It's all good. But let's see what it looks like. So you hit preview right here. And it's going to show you what your lead magnet looks like. Boom, and there's my video explaining some of the funnels that we use for my consulting and my agency, right? So the people will come in here, put their name, phone number, email address, and when they click here, the lead will go straight to my autoresponder. So let's say you want to see what it looks like in mobile. You just click right here, and then you are in mobile. For those of you that are using Facebook ads and Google ads and stuff like that, you will go to settings right here, and you can add custom tracking codes for your pixel right here. Okay, so we just built this in less than 10 minutes. So let's say it's done. Let's go back, and let's say you want to, you know, change the name of the opt-in, right? So right here you can go to settings, and you can change the path. So you can change this to, you know, whatever you want. So in this case, let's just say opt-in. And then you will click here and choose the domain you want. I have tons of domains, so I don't feel like blurring them out, but this is where you choose the domain that you want if you have one connected with Clickfunnels. Okay, so there's that. Make sure you save it, update, right? And then it's gonna go here. Let's look at our thank you page. Make sure it looks good. It's taking a second to load. I don't know why. There it is. Oh, we got to create our thank you page. So I would just choose the same thing. And that's the thing with ClickFunnels. You know, they always keep the same theme with whatever it is that you use for the first one. So here's the one that matches that one. So select template. I'm just going to click edit page. And there's your thank you page. So obviously you will remove this here. So just click delete, right? Your privacy terms and condition links, make sure you fill that out by clicking here, here. Okay, and that's it. Now we have a lead funnel. Guys, if you like that video, make sure to click the link in the description below to claim your free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels today. And keep learning by clicking one of the boxes right above me, and I'll see you in the next video.